In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform routine cleaning of the printer. Before beginning, turn power off and remove all media. Open the printer. Wear eye protection when using compressed air. Clean the media sensors using a can of compressed air. If adhesives or other contaminants remain, use an alcohol moistened swab to break it up. Use a dry swab to remove any residue that may be left from the first cleaning. Use a cloth or swab to remove dust and debris from the roll holders, media guides, and media path surfaces. Do not clean the print head with these cloths or swabs. Wipe the movable sensor's slide channel. If your printer has the dispenser option, open the door. To remove the platen, release the two retainers and rotate up. Use the retainers to lift the platen. Moisten a lint-free wipe with isopropyl alcohol. Clean the platen while turning and moving from end to end. Allow the platen to completely dry before reinstalling. While holding the retainers, drop the platen into the slot. Rotate the retainers down until they lock. Clean the peel bar. Clean the peel roller. Clean the liner path. Clean the ribs and sensor. The internal cutter mechanism is not operator serviceable. Wipe the ridges and the plastic surfaces of the media exit slot. Do not clean or touch the cutter blade. Wipe the ridges and the plastic surfaces of the media entry slot. The exterior of the printer may be cleaned using plain soap and water solutions on a lightly moistened cloth. Avoid getting solution in the printer. Do not clean connectors or interior of the printer with this method. Use an approved thermal printhead cleaning pen. Wipe from the center of the printhead towards the outside edges. Rub the pen over the dark stripe several times until clean. Let the printhead dry before installing media and closing the cover.